iPhones capture great videos, but limited storage can cause the storage full issue. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to transfer videos from iPhone to USB. Part 1. Easiest way to transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick. The easiest way to transfer iPhone videos to a USB is using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. This tool lets you move videos, photos, music, and more to a USB, external drive, or PC, or Mac. Step 2. Select videos. Click the Videos tab to preview and select the videos you want to transfer. Step 3. Transfer to USB. Check the videos, click Export, and select the USB stick as the destination. Part 2. Save videos from iPhone to USB flash drive via Photos app. Connect the iPhone and click Trust. Insert the USB stick, open the Photos app, select the videos, click Import, and choose the USB stick as the destination. Once complete, the videos will be on the USB. Part 3. Transfer videos from iPhone to flash drive via File Explorer. Unlock your iPhone, connect it to the PC, and click Trust. Insert the USB stick and open My Computer. Find the iPhone under Devices, open the DSIM folder, and copy the videos to the USB stick. Part 4. Transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick using iCloud. 1. First, you need to back up the videos on your iPhone to iCloud. 2. Download iCloud Drive on your Windows or Mac computer or visit https://willacloud.com. 3. Sign in with your Apple ID email and password. 4. Select the photo option, select the videos you want, and download them to your computer. 5. Insert the USB stick, open it, and create a new folder named iPhone Pictures. 6. Move the videos to the USB stick. Part 5. Save videos from iPhone to USB flash drive using AirDrop. Enable AirDrop on iPhone and Mac. Select videos and photos, tap Share, and choose your Mac. Copy videos from the Downloads folder to the USB stick. Part 6. Transfer videos from iPhone to USB stick without computer. Use a compatible USB drive with Lightning or USB-C. Plug it into your iPhone and open the Photos app. Select the video, tap Share, choose Export Unmodified Original, and save to the USB drive.